Hi, I'm Stephanie Weaver, fine art artist, and welcome to my studio. Each week I come to you so that I can show you something fun and creative that you can paint. In these paintings that I bring every week, you'll get to grow your oil painting abilities. So if you're new here, go ahead and click subscribe so you don't miss a thing. You can catch up on previous episodes at going to stephanieweaverartist.com. All right, so if you're ready, let's go ahead and get started painting. Hey, and welcome back. So we have got something decadent and sweet to paint this week, and what that is some strawberry shortcake. Yeah, nice summer delight that we're going to paint. Now, I'm going to talk a little bit about why I picked this particular reference image and then our approach, because there's a challenge to the approach, and it's going to be multi-phased, which means you're going to have to step away and let it dry. You're going to have to not rush to get into those reds, and that's really kind of hard thing to do because we see strawberries and we automatically want to go to the reds, right? But as soon as you go to a red and you've got white next to it, you're going to end up with a pink, and you're going to end up with a pink mess, and you're going to have to wait for it to dry anyway in order to fix that pink mess. So let's just plan. We'll address the reds and be very careful of them later. All right, so we're two-phase approach, just plan on it. Okay, so the reason I picked this particular image, the way that it's set up is we've got it in a triangle, very similar like what we did last week. So the two paintings are going to complement each other very well. And then also, I've got it laid out in the rule of thirds. So the primary subject is going to be on one of the intersections of the rule of thirds grid. Okay, so yeah, that's kind of why I set it up like this.